Hello friends, how are you all today? I'm spending every precious moment I can in the AC because it's hot. How many times am I gonna say it's hot? I say it in every video. I'm flabbergasted. You would think that I would know by now that this is just it, but I'm still complaining. Anyway, hello friends. The pergola is up and I'm so excited. Oh, I'm gonna get hit by the sprinkler because there's no way in this world I'm hand watering today. That's just not happening. But pergola is happening. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hey everyone, Mark is getting the pergola up now. I'm so excited. I ran out the door. I said yay and asked him if I could just take a quick video. Mark, it looks amazing. So he made this entirely from scratch. It just looks absolutely amazing. So he's attaching it now. It's not attached, but I just want to give you guys a quick first look because it looks fantastic. So on Instagram, I've shared quite a bit about this. I have had many people asking me if I got this from New England Arbors or this or that. No. My delightful husband, Mark, built this. He has always been interested in woodworking, and lately, well, I should say the past few years, he's been building a lot around the garden, and it's a win-win because he really enjoys the woodworking, and then I have this beautiful, the obelisks and the pergola and all these wonderful things that he's making. So we looked at photos online. He actually originally made a different pergola. I'm amazed at how quickly he actually put these together once we got it all figured out. So he initially built a different pergola because we were struggling with how we would fit brackets with the lights. We were initially thinking that we would have the brackets on the inside, which you can see now that this is up and finished. That would make no sense. The pergola would be smaller. It would bring everything in. It would just, the doors when they opened, we were struggling with the fact that it would hit the brackets. So he built one that was bracketless. That was just kind of, so it was the reverse. It's how these long boards, if I can find a picture, I'll put it up. But these long boards, he had facing this way, and then he had the shorter purlins going the other way. So there's quite a few different designs for something like this, and we just, we looked for inspiration online, but this is just really kind of born of all of the photos and inspiration that we looked at. He made the brackets, he made everything that you see here, and I just could not be happier. It was incredibly affordable. All the cost was paint and lumber. I mean, that's it. This is pressure treated lumber. I'm not growing like any edibles on it, so I'm not concerned about the pressure treated. And just to touch on that quickly, pressure treated today isn't what pressure treated used to be. So I know there's a lot of fears and worries about that, but do your research, because even if you are growing edibles on pressure treated wood, just check out what it's contains, because things are different today, and lots from what I have read, lots of these things don't contain those same nasty chemicals anymore. Anyway, I digress. So I started looking up brackets because I'm like, well, maybe he could build the top part and I'll just buy brackets. These corbels, these kind of brackets, are a few $100s. He was like, I can do that. I'll build the bracket. I'll do the whole thing. Look at this. He's got even the little decorative plugs in there. He did all this, all the routing. I am so impressed. Now this design, because we have the overhang, it was tricky because I didn't want it to be, so shallow in depth that it wouldn't be able to support the roses or anything that I had on top. So we definitely wanted there to be at least 3 rows and for it to be substantial. So once it returns back into here, we did decide to just cut off the ornamentation on, or we didn't even make the ornamentation on the third piece there, and it just ends. And then you see these two on the outside and all the curves that he made. It looks so good. It looks so good. I'm gonna get wet, hold on. So I'm really excited. I had to share. It's absolutely taken me by surprise and beyond what I had hoped. It's beyond what I had hoped. I had been wanting to replace the door that was on here for the longest time. And just that really just made everything feel better in the garden, tie everything together. And now for him to put these finishing touches on here is just amazing. I'm so thankful. And I love that he loves it too, because you know, that helps. You know, he's enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. It has really brought us closer together, all these projects, you know, the greenhouse, building that, and all of these things, because I'm out here gardening and, you know, he'll be out up here building something, and, you know, we just kind of bounce ideas off of each other, and, you know, I'll show him something that I like and we'll talk about it, and then, you know, resolve all these things together. It's a lot of fun. I am enjoying it so much. And this sprinkler is saving my life right now. Oh my gosh. It's 91 right now. I think it's going up to 100 today. The humidity is just, it's insane. I don't need to tell you guys this. So let's just look at some stuff. Okay, so we have not much changed in here. I've already kind of showed you guys this. I grow the Kent Beauty oregano every year. Do you guys grow the Kent Beauty? It's so beautiful. I love it. I grow it every single year. I get those as plant starts usually from Bluestone Perennial online. I've grown the sister plant Kirigami from seed. You could totally grow this one from seed. Obviously, you can grow any of this stuff from seed. Sorry, I'm pulling weeds as I talk to you. My method is if I see it, pull it. Then, you know, it helps. If I say I'm going to go back and pull it later, I never will, or I'll, you know, it'll be overgrown then. So if I see it, I pull it. That's my method. But anyway, this is an ornamental oregano called Kent Beauty. There's another one called Kirigami. Like I was saying, I've grown that from seed. I absolutely love it. And it's just, it smells nice, and it's just really pretty with those little hoppy flowers. I've showed you the bobos. I've showed you this. Okay, is there anything new? Oh, I know what's new. Well, the Lisianthus that I order from Burpee every year, that I got white and like a green color, and apparently, and I'm not mad at it, some purple variety snuck in. As soon as the sprinkler is finished moving in this direction, I'll show you. Hold on. But it is so pretty. I usually lean towards the white or the greenish white on the Lisianthus, because I feel like in bouquets or arrangements and cutting, it goes with everything. But I love purple. Purple in the garden is one of my favorites. And just look at this. So I tried to grow Lisianthus from seed for like years, like too many years. And when I saw that Burpee had, look at this bloom, oh my god, it's beautiful. When I saw Burpee had starts maybe probably 3-4 years ago, oh my god, it's so pretty. I immediately ordered some. I did not know what to expect. They're fantastic. So every year I just know I'm not even gonna bother to try and grow the Lisianthus from seed, because it's too much aggravation for me, and the starts are terrific. I've got some ajuga. I ordered a plug tray of ajuga. That's from Great Garden Plants. They sell lots of nice plugs. There's several in there. So hold on. Oh, my knees didn't crack. That's a shocker. But you can see how it comes like that. And I plan on planting this just tucked in and about areas like this, like skirting around the boxwoods here. I know this will spread. I want it to spread. This is an area that gets a lot of weeds. So, you know, trimming that out and letting that just, it can go wild under the overhang here. I don't care. And just kind of pop it into areas like that. The ajuga, I've never grown before, definitely does prefer a part shade situation. I hope that it will be enough shade here, because in the afternoon, right now it's shady, but in the afternoon it gets quite a bit of sun. But we'll see. Look at my geraniums, are looking beautiful. Oh, I love geraniums. So many of them in my window box this year. So many. I've just been kind of doing a few little things here. I just made this the other day with a little wire vine. And then I got this, why do I keep forgetting the name? Corsican, sorry, from Corsica, of course, Corsica, Corsican. It's like a tongue twister for me. Corsican mint. Look, here's how it comes. This is one of the plants from Annie's annuals that I showed you last week. And I put a little pot here, so it's gonna drape and cover this pot in time. And I love the look of it. And I just got this new pot from Wakefield Handmade. He's having a sale. He might have some pots left if you wanna check it out. I think they were 20% off, which is amazing. And I just love the little handles on this one. Somebody told me it looked like a little teacup, and I thought that that was so cute. But look how much let me walk this way. Look how much the Rudbeckia has opened up since the last time I talked to you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So pretty. And the crepe myrtles are really going crazy now and opening up all the blooms. I did want to mention my next video, I'm going to share another garden. So I'm really excited to share that with you. I'm just putting the video together now, but keep an eye out, because I will be sharing someone very inspiring that I've been connected with on Instagram for quite a while, and he's a lovely person and super talented, and I think you'll really enjoy it. So keep an eye out for that. I'm gonna go hide back inside again, and oh, you can see that little dark strip there. We are working on putting we have trim for the shed, and yeah, oh, hold on, now I'm gonna tiptoe through the tulips over here without tripping. I don't usually walk that way. I usually walk the other way. But I did hang up those other little cone planters. Ooh, I just got sprinkled on. See how those have white? I'll swap it so that one's in the middle. But I think they look really cute here and really charming. And I just have a little ivy and then some of that mint. And that's got a wire vine and a geranium in it. Who knows if I'll change it or not. I probably will. Mandevilla is looking amazing over there. My cucumber has a cucumber on it. My egg, ooh, there's a black swallowtail. Oh, yay. Yay. I have not seen as many of the black or yellow swallowtails this year as I do in other years. So I'm really happy to see that. I hope it finds my dill before the dill dies, because that dill is looking quite sad. Oh, and I planted the cafe au lait. I just have a little cloche over it for right now, you know, just in case my bunny friends or squirrels are poking around here, just for the time being. And then I planted one on the other side of the fence here and one on the other side of the fence there. And look, the floret zinnias are looking gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. I do want to come in here and trim some. The more you trim your zinnias, you guys probably know already, they're a cut and come again flower. So the more you cut them, they'll branch and they'll bloom even more flowers, which is what we want. Yes, we do. And I'm sure you guys know this too. There's the wiggle test everybody talks about. So I can already tell by looking at this one, if you wiggle your zinnia and the stem is very sturdy like this one is, it's fine to clip for a bouquet. It's ready to go. This one, like, see this one here, it's much more floppy and it's kind of wiggling back and forth. If it's doing that, it's not going to last long in a vase for you at all. It's probably just going to flump over. So that's all. Just a quick little update. I was super excited to show you guys the pergola. So that was my main intention for this video. I need to water that. I did finally plant those. I had some straw flowers that I've been waiting to plant for a long time. They're looking a little crispy because it's hot once again. But keep an eye out because my next video, I'm going to be sharing some beautiful inspiration from a garden friend of mine. All right, I hope you are all doing wonderful, and I will see you very soon. I know what I wanted to show you guys. Look, I have a new bunny. She's very stern. This is... she has a name, Duchess of Cloverfield. And my good friend Kristen insisted, and I happen to agree, that she needs to be Beatrix. So she is Duchess Beatrix of Cloverfield. I love her. I got her on Facebook Marketplace, and she was very, very affordable. And from Henry Studio, who is like a very well-known brand. We hear that name all over, and it's vintage from the 80s. I'm vintage from the 70s, so we have that going for us. But I love her. She's got terrific patina. She's big and heavy, and the people that, look at that really pretty patina. The people we bought it from on Facebook Marketplace were about 40 minutes over the bridge in Pennsylvania, and they were gracious enough to meet us right over the Commodore Barry Bridge, and it was really, really nice of them. So my latest bunny acquisition, look how pretty this little scene is. So, so sweet. I love it.